Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Tasya Anura. I usually call Tasya. My student number is 2020205020 and I'm from English Education of Islamic State University of Raden Fatah Palembang. In this video, I would like to tell you about 5 things I am good at. First, being a good listener. My friends confide in and share stories with me when we hang out or through via cell phone. I will be attentive, ready to listen, and willing to understand any stories or complaints from him or her. At that moment, I will focus on placing myself as if I was in the same position as her, feeling the same emotions, such as disappointment, confusion, happiness, and so on, so that I get a complete understanding, not only knowing the chronology of the story, but how the story can affect my mind or psychology as well. I will usually provide a conversation space for my friend to use his time to talk and vent emotionally comfortably. Because for the interlocutor, the presence of someone who cares and always listens to what she or he is talking about has certainly lightened the burden he is carrying. I will give their advice or opinion at the right time or when they have already vented. Being a good listener is a very pleasant thing for me because I will know the experiences and lives of other people. When there are other people who tell stories about their lives, it means that they already believe and think of us as someone who can appreciate them. Being meaningful to others starts with listening to their stories. Second, can provide constructive input or advice. Previously, I didn't realize that I'm good at provide constructive input or advice. But my friend told me about it, and then I recalled the past memories like the past high school with my friends. As I said before, when a friend has a problem, sometimes I will give a little input, a little advice, opinion, and motivation to be able to help alleviate the problem a little. But actually, I also seek motivation and inspiration from my family, friends, and other people. Besides that, I also usually motivate myself by looking at motivational words or watching inspirational figures such as Najwa Shihab, Firsa Besari, and others. Third, accepting criticism. Accepting criticism is difficult, but on the one hand, criticism is a means of self-evaluation. Naturally, we will respond to criticism with self-defense, aka defensive mechanisms, including me. Our brain has a fight or flight response. That's why we criticize by other people. The response is often ignored. But as time went on, I realized that if anyone criticized me, there were people who cared and supported me. Indeed, sometimes not a few people criticize me in a way that is uncomfortable, but often it is other people who can see the flaws that I didn't find. This can make me try to improve myself. Many successful people have been criticized before, but now they are at the success place. Fourth, keeping secret. In my opinion, I'm not talkative type of person, although a few people say that I'm ignorant person. But that's okay because I feel the same way sometimes. We have to take criticisms, right? So, when there are friends, best friends, or family who want to share their stories or secrets about anything and say that I don't want to anyone know about it or you must keep it a secret, then I will protect the secret like my own secret. Because in my opinion, when I have been given the trust, I don't want to disappoint other people who already believe in me. So if you guys want to share secrets with me, it's safe. Fifth, I am good at write fast. I mean here to write fast using a pen and thank God for my writing is not too bad. So when I was in junior high school, even senior high school, I became a class secretary, and of course I would not be separated from taking notes. When the teaching and learning activities arrive, I will usually be asked by the teacher to write learning materials on the whiteboard for my classmates. And of course, I also have to write it in my own book. Maybe that makes me able to write fast. I'm grateful for that because by fast writing, I can write without taking a long time. I think enough for my video presentation. Thank you for your nice attention. See you in my next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.